So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity from the various companies such as the Genpact, Deutsach and other important hiring. So if you are the freshers or have some internship experience also, then this video one important for you. So first important opportunity that is from the Genpact. They are hiring for the role of the process associate, and these will be roles and responsibilities. So if you are from the commerce background, then you are well for this wonderful opportunity. Okay, and just to go through a complete job in the description, you will be basically you should have some knowledge in the cost model creations, pre-sales and processing and other stuff things. Okay, similar to this means for the different locations they have hiring. Okay, so just you can go through the complete job in the description and check out. Okay, now moving to the next important opportunity that is from the era. This is the technical profile. So they are hiring for the role of technical trainer intern, and this is also wonderful opportunity. So if you are interested, then you can apply for that. So you will basically assist the senior enablist specialist with delivery training, troubleshoot issue or training sandbox and all those stuff. Okay, so you should have some working knowledge with SQL and familiarity with workflow in programming concept. Moving to next important only that is from the omfys technology. They are expanding their team, and the eligibility criteria for this job is B, BTech, MCA, MSc. If you are from this background, that is the CS, Electronics, ENTC, AI, Data Science, then you are real for this. So skills required is that you should have some knowledge of manual testing, automation testing, or Selenium. Means anyone skills if you have, then you can just share your resume to this mail ID. Again, saying friends, apply with your updated resume, then only we get the reward. Okay, because I already provided the update related to one of the important job, and students are also getting reward. That is from the Genpact technology. So those who are saying that students will not get reward, you will get reward, but you should apply with updated resume and with good things. Okay, that then only you can get the reward. So next important opportunity that is they are hiring for the role of associate system engineer, ASC, BE, BTech, MCA for 2024, 2025, 2026. Key skills required that you should have strong verbal and communication skill, basic technical knowledge and problem solving ability, and these are the some things. So if you are interested, you can just share your resume to this mail ID, American Chase. Remember, friend, this company is continuously hiring, and don't miss this opportunity. Okay, so cap facility for female employees and various basically uh, things will be there. Friends, we recently posted lots of important job related to TCS NQT exam. So if you are the candidates who have selected for the TCS or any company and want to schedule your mock interview with us, then you can schedule with us. We'll provide you complete guidance, resume review, which will basically increase your chances for getting selected. Next important opportunity that is from the Wipro, Kolkata, and this is also biggest hiring for the technical chat process associate. Okay, remember this is non-technical profile, so I will suggest 2026 pass out. Don't apply for this. But if you are from the other background, then you can apply for this. Means B, BTech, MP, MTech, BC all can apply. But remember this is non-technical profile. Okay, means this is not a developer profile, you can say this is a technical but not a developer position. So if you're interested, you can apply also. This is also good opportunity. So you should be from technical graduates. Basic technical knowledge is required, not that much level, and benefit one side cap facility. So venue is Wipro, Salt Lake, sector 5, gate 1. Okay, so in Kolkata hiring is there, and this is a 2-day working time, that is 14th April. So don't miss this wonderful opportunity, please. Okay, next important opportunity that is from the eurofins. They are hiring for the role of intern, and salary you can get up to 35 to 40k per month. So 2026 2025 both can apply. Dear friend, we regularly post lots of important job updates. Make sure to subscribe so that you will not miss any job update, and keep applying for off-campus drive. Don't completely depend on your college. Okay, so this you can apply directly from the LinkedIn. Okay, I will provide all the job link in the description. No need to worry. Next important opportunity that is from the amplelogic. They are hiring the intern of 2025 and 2026 pass out batch. So they are looking for business analyst intern, .NET developer intern. So if you are the candidates have some familiarity with that, then you should apply for this wonderful opportunity. And this is a good opportunity. So just share your resume to this mail ID and with good, you can say, the skill set. Okay, so apply with updated resume only. That's the only things in every video I'm telling you. Next important opportunity that is for 2026 2027 graduates. This is the internship program from the deutsach. So if you are from the any background like BA, BCom, BBA, BMS, BCA, BS, etc, all are preferred, and these were roles and responsibility. You can go through it. You should have strong communication skill, basic knowledge of Excel, PowerPoint, and interest in banking and finance domain. So this is the important thing, because this is a banking company now. So you should be available for 12-month internship program, and job location or internship location is Mumbai, Bangalore, Jaipur, Pune. Moving to last important, that is for the Zepto. They are hiring for the role of research intern, cloud security. So if you are interested, you can apply. Hope informative to कोई भी query you can ask here. We can connect on LinkedIn or Insta or WhatsApp file. जहाँ भी आपका डाउट है यू कैन आस्क, आई विल ट्राई टू रिप्लाई एज सुन एज पॉसिबल। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।